Hello everyone, welcome to Trade and welcome to the series of videos where we're going to review the trades based on CPR. This is the price action for today, and without CPR it would look like this, and with the CPR levels this is the price action. Now this is the 15-minute chart. Now there are a couple of things that I want to go ahead. First we'll start off with the 5-minute chart. See, as soon as Banknifty opened today, we got a pretty nice sell-off. The two big candles were good, but over here there was no follow-up and the previous day low didn't break, and we were supposed to reverse to the CPR, so we did. The reversal to the CPR came, but was this tradable? No. See, even if on an ideal day, if the Bank Nifty came down, didn't break previous day low, if it had to reverse to the CPR, it would be like how we would come, probably get a retest of the previous day low, kind of make a long wick or a hammer here, and then probably we can enter. But this one candle itself in the morning was what, 300 points. So this is a kind of a shakeout candle, and whenever you see such candles, it's best to avoid trades unless we get something confirmed for the day, like a structure breakout or a range breakout or something. So on this 15-minute chart you can clearly see, though multiple times we had some false breakout attempts, but most of the time we stayed within this CPR range. So whenever we are stuck within the CPR range, right, that's when we can consider it as a no trading day. Or if somebody is into option selling, you can sell like the upper layer, like say 1-2 strike prices away and 2 strike prices below, and within this range option sellers would have made nice money. So even option selling, CPR does help, not only for option buying. It's just the way we determine the range the Bank Nifty will be in. See, a last false breakout again came at probably 3 o'clock. On this candle it did look like we're going to break and go, but immediately there was no follow-up. Now how we can identify that there is no follow-up is, now when you see this 15-minute candle, you mark the high of this candle, right? And if the next candle does not cross this, most likely it is a place where we should not be taking an entry. Now say this is the candle that came here, right? Now normally we would think, okay, this is a breakout, now we are going higher, but you see the next candle didn't break the previous candle, right? Unless you get a candle like this. Let me say if the next candle was something like this, where breaking the previous candle high, then that's a good entry where we can attempt to enter considering this as a breakout. But this candle didn't even break the previous candle high and there was no follow-up, so the entire day we remained in this range. See, over here at any candle, if we had just assumed that possibly, see, even this nice up move came, right, 3 candles, but if we had just assumed that it is going to break this time and entered, we would have been in loss. So always wait for that breakout and the retest. That's a good entry. Then just assuming that it might break out and enter, that would be wrong. So there's nothing much today, it's apart from just staying within the CPR. See, now somebody who doesn't use CPR also would have identified this range, right? Traders, they would have marked this level and kind of Bank Nifty remain in this range. But the beauty of using the CPR indicator is it gives us that exact range that the Bank Nifty is in trading for the day. So let's see how the tomorrow CPR is. Even my analysis, the other analysis there, even tomorrow most likely we might be sideways. 90% of the time there's a 90% chance we might have a very sideways expiry, because last 2 expiry has been very trending and good for option buyers, right? So even option sellers will have to make money in the market, not only option buyers. So today is a day where option sellers would have made nice money, and this is all what we have for this video regarding the CPR trade review. So let's see how CPR will help us or not tomorrow.